So there I was in Target, not looking for anything in particular, but of course I'm going to go ahead and walk down the toy aisle. And of course the usual Batman, G.I. Joe, and I get to He-Man and I'm looking, oh, a little Muckman down there. Whoa, wait a minute. And surprisingly they had some Stridors in. And some battle armor He-Mans, which I would love to have. But considering I already have 2 Battle Cats as it is, I'm not going to get that. But I am going to pick up this Stridor. Alright guys, we are back at the Shell Shack, and like I said, I picked up the Stridor, couldn't resist. Not sure how in demand this vehicle is going to be, but I haven't had too much luck on the shelves lately, so I figured, hey, I know my son will like it, let me go ahead and pick it up, and hey, I can do a video on it too. And that is just what we're about to do. Let's go ahead and spin this box around so that you can see all the amazing artwork. That is definitely one thing that they got right on these new Masters of the Universe toys. Alright, Stridor comes with 2 different helmets, and apparently this floor connects to the bottom of the castle. We'll see about that. And what else we got coming out in 22? We've got Flying Fist He-Man and Terror Claws Skeletor. So that's pretty cool. I know my son is eagerly awaiting a Snake Mountain to go with his Castle Grayskull. But for now, this is going to have to do, so let's go ahead and take this thing out and take a closer look at it. And it's always difficult for me doing this with one hand, but let's do a little movie magic, and boom! It's out! Alright, let's look at this thing. Like I said, 2 helmets, 2 blasters, and some reins. Alright guys, we got her fully out now. I've got He-Man strapped in, ready to go, just like in the picture in the background. He-Man is definitely ready for some action. Let's go ahead and get a little closer shot here. Let's take a look at this thing. So, truth be told, I didn't have the biggest Masters of the Universe collection, so I didn't actually have the original Stridor, which you can see right here. But as for the toy, the head moves side to side, up and down. Head moves pretty freely. As you can see, everything kind of moving and lining up there. All looks pretty cool. Like I said, comes with the 2 guns. Definitely, as you might have guessed, a ton of mobility on these legs. All in all, I wouldn't say a ton of detail. It's got a few stickers here and there. As you can see, the crossed axes on the side there and here on the other side. Some silver accent pieces. But like I said, I didn't have the original one to compare it to, so. But judging by the pictures, they look pretty similar. Pretty cool little sticker for behind the seat. Got the tail, and obviously that moves side to side. I got a rear gun back here, and that moves, just in case Skeletor is speeding up behind him. And like I said, it does come with 2 helmets, so let's go ahead and put the alternate on. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing on here. There we go. Oh, okay. It moves. Oh, I didn't even notice that the mouth moves. Alright, cool. Alright, so in my opinion, the alternate helmet definitely looks a lot cooler. It's got the single horn up there. I'm sure this helmet will be the one that it will be displayed with. And moving on to the last 3 accessories that it comes with. The attachable blast effects that goes on top of the guns. And there they are. Not exactly sure how I feel about these things. I think I like them. I guess it's better than just having 2 alternate helmets. But they're growing on me. Alright, and this thing also came with a little platform for it to stand on. And here is the little thing you tie your horse up to. So let's go ahead and put that right there. Also comes with the clear stand that attaches to the horse to have him look like he's rearing up, and there he is. Again, looking just like the picture. Well, almost. Let me take this thing out real quick. There we go. Alright, in this pose, or this stance, this thing actually looks pretty dang cool. But like I said, this thing has one more feature, apparently. The base, or the floor, apparently slides underneath the castle. Alright, so let's go ahead and try to do that. Oh, wait. Okay. Problem. Okay, seems as if he's too tall when he's rearing up. Let's lose the stand. Okay, I got it slid in there like it's supposed to. Shows right on the picture that it does this. All right, take 2, no stand. Let's, okay, not quite, still not quite fitting. Okay, let's make him laying down. Let's see if that will work. Like I said, a lot of range on these legs. Okay, well, not so much. Wow, another blunder for Matel. They also had a Comic-Con exclusive monster coming through the floor that also didn't fit. So, strike 2 for you guys. Toy itself, cool. I got it here next to the Sky Sled for reference. But I think that's going to do it for this one, guys. I know it's not my normal content, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should start doing other stuff other than TMNT or stick to what I know? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. But either way, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll go ahead and catch you in the next one, guys. Later!